Hello and welcome to the Energy Reset. I'm so glad that you are here. So if you decided to join this program, there's a good chance you've been feeling tired, foggy, or like you're constantly pushing through the day just to function. And if that's your experience, the first thing I want you to know is this. You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're definitely not the only one who's feeling this way. So many women start experiencing fatigue and brain fog as they move through their late 30s and 40s. And often when they bring it up with their doctor, they're told everything looks normal. That can feel incredibly frustrating because you know something isn't right. This program was created to give you a simple, approachable place to start restoring your energy. The strategies inside this program are the same foundational shifts that I use with my patients at Antigravity Wellness. When they come to me saying things like, I'm exhausted all the time. I can't even think straight. I don't feel like myself anymore. Is this it? This is what my life is now? And one thing I want to say right from the beginning is this. You do not have to do everything in this program to see results. In fact, trying to change everything all at once is one of the reasons many women end up feeling overwhelmed and burned out in the first place. Instead, I want you to think of this program as a toolbox. Inside, we're going to talk about several common patterns that can drain your energy. Things like blood sugar instability, chronic stress, inflammation, sleep disruption, thyroid shifts, and gut health. As you move through the program, you'll start recognizing what feels most relevant to you. From there, I encourage you to pick one or two areas to focus on first and begin implementing those strategies consistently. Small, sustainable changes are what create real momentum. And remember, this program is completely self-paced. You can move through it slowly, you can binge it in a weekend, or you can come back to it whenever you need a reset. You have lifetime access, so there's no pressure to rush. The most important thing right now is that you've taken the first step. You're starting to ask better questions about your energy. And that alone can open the door to meaningful change. So when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next lesson. Well, we'll start talking about why so many women experience fatigue, brain fog in midlife, and what may actually be contributing to it. I'll see you in the next module.